Hello everyone. In this session, I would like to discuss about .gitignore file. So let me open my GitHub account. In this account, this is my branch. In this branch, I had one file like a .gitignore file. I want to talk about this file. Okay, first let's talk about the format of this file. See how the format is looks like D and ABC. Okay, see here the format is like .gitignore. .gitignore. This is the file format. Okay, it's like a text document. If you can get this file at the time of cloning, at the time of creating the repository, you can say, you can select I need gitignore, then the time by default it will create. If not create also, if you want that file, just you can write like .gitignore. It's a text document. That's it. Okay, inside this file, what type of code you want me to write? Okay, first of all, do one thing. This is my project folder. Open command prompt here. Okay, git branch. You are in which branch? Login branch. This is the main branch. You are in the login branch. Perfect. Okay, don't do any changes in the main branch. Let me confirm first. You are in which branch? Okay, perfect. Now in this particular project, some of the files or folders don't want to commit. Okay, that type of folders I want to ignore it. Okay, if you take like a React application or Angular application, any UI side application, okay, most of the times we are going to ignore the libraries what you download in the node modules. That node modules folder I don't want to commit. Okay, at the same time, build folders also I don't want to commit. These git node modules and build folder at runtime we can get it. While building the code, we can get these node modules and or the build folders, everything we can get it. Okay, that one separately with. Our concentration is like why we need gitignore. What type of code you want me to write in the gitignore means I want to ignore some of the files or folders to commit. Okay, that type of folders files, how we can ignore it, I want to discuss. Now right click on this one, create one folder. Very simple. Create one folder. Okay, one folder is there, node underscore modules. Any folder name you can give it, no problem. Modules. Okay, one more folder is there, new folder. Okay, build. In this node modules folder, few libraries are there like this. New okay document. This is my libraries. In this folder, there has some build minified files are there. Okay, build.min.js like this. Then some of the files are there. Perfect. Our goal is what? I don't want to commit these files. Okay, here I want to do some code change also. Okay, it login change. Okay, this is the code change I did. Okay, that's it. Okay, see, I get the build folder, I get the node modules, I did some change in the code. Within these three changes, only I want to commit login. This code changes only. I don't want to commit these two. I want to ignore it. Then how we can ignore means now see you are in the drive, right? Okay, you are in the drive. Now git status. If you put it now, see here in the status, I can see the login. What you made the code change that is also visible. Build and node modules also visible or not to commit. Okay, once you add it, all will ready to commit. I don't want to commit. I don't want to show these two folders to commit, to add itself. Okay, that means I want to ignore these folders from commit. So that how we can ignore means now right here in the gitignore, just open. It's like a text document only. Okay, open with notepad. Whatever the things are there, just leave it. I don't want all these things. Which folders you want me to ignore? One is like build folder. Okay, another one is like node underscore buls, node underscore modules folder. Okay, perfect. Now can I add like git status now? Can we check what happened? Git status. Now see this. In the past, this file and this file both are for commit, right? Both are for add, right? But now see my build folder also not there to commit, to add. After adding only, right, we can commit. Okay, node modules folder also not there or not. Okay, which files are there? Login file is there. Gitignore, you did some changes, so that change is also required. These two files only there or not. Now once you have these two files, just you can add it. You can add it. Okay, now git commit. Okay, message. Okay, login changes or whatever you want, just you can write it. Git push, git push. Now if you push this one, okay, only these two file changes only go to your branch. My node modules and my build will not go. This is the way we can ignore files and folders to commit in your git repository. Thanks guys, thanks for watching.